This kitchen was dingy, cramped, and it was holding a multi-million-dollar house hostage. But here's the thing about a mismatched kitchen most homeowners don't think about. It's a massive financial liability. When a kitchen doesn't match the caliber of the house, buyers don't see a home. They see a massive line item demolition expense. My job wasn't just to make it pretty. It was to protect the assets and make the architecture belong. Let's take a look at the problems. This kitchen feels heavy, dated cabinets, and a bizarre angle island that completely choked the traffic flow. The house was premium, but the kitchen was absolutely a builder grade. Here is how we fix it. I always start with space planning and layout for functionality and efficiency first. Aesthetics come second. Once you identify what's not working and master the layout, style flows through naturally without being forced. In my world, renovation success is 80% planning and only 20% execution. But most homeowners do the opposite. This project is the perfect example of why. The old island set at a weird 45-degree angle. It probably looks unique on a 2D floor plan, but on an actual job site, it created a tight choke point and wasted usable square footage. You can't paint or finish your way out of a bad layout. You have to fix the bones first. First, we corrected the space planning. We eliminated the awkward island for a square-off island with a clean waterfall edge on one side. Instantly, the rooms feel intentional. We then specify white Calacatta quartz for the island with a waterfall edge on one side. When you're doing this, make sure you verify with the fabricator and shop drawing to ensure the veining match seamlessly. Otherwise, a premium slab looks cheaply instantly. We then chose chrome hardware to match the stainless steel appliances. Immediately, the space feels bigger and brighter. This completely eliminates the visual noise and creates true continuity. For the performance, we anchor the chef-driven core commercial-grade stove, double convection oven, and statement pendant lightings over the island to bridge the gap between design and real-world function. And the foundation and reveal the white kitchen and stainless steel appliances beautifully juxtapose the high-end urban-grade luxury vinyl flooring. Now, the kitchen finally matches the zip code it's sitting in. So if you are planning a major renovation and want to stop guessing on finishes and start mastering the actual sequence of design, start with layout first for functionality, then aesthetics, materials, and finishes. That's exactly what we teach inside the renovation planning studio. So if you're ready to renovate your kitchen, join my community on Skool. Before you start, the classroom link is in the description below. Stop guessing, start planning, and I see you inside.